Okay, so 1 is log base 3 at 3. So what am I going to do on this problem? Oh, wait a minute. Let me go back here 1 second. I realized I didn't have the record button on. So let me. If anybody's watching this on YouTube, let them see that screen for a minute. I forgot to record. So again, here's the rule. When you lose, and maybe it'd be good for all of you just to see it one more time. When you lose or cross out a log, the base stays the base, the other two switch. So how did I do this problem? One more time. Let me just run it over again real quick. Probably good for everybody. So I wrote this out, just kind of recopied it here. And then I realized he's not showing his base. Every log really has a base. So that means it's 10. So I'm saying up there, if they're not showing their base, it's really 10. Every log really has a base. If it's not showing, it's 10. And then cross off the log because we're going out of that language. The base stays low down. The base stays the base. The other two switch. What other two? The 0.1 and the negative 1. So the negative 1 goes there. The 0.1 goes there. There's the answer. So they want you to fill in 10 to the negative 1 there because they've already given you the right side. Let's try that here. Can you do the same thing? Cross off the log. Cross off the log. Base stays the base. Other two switch. Who's the base? This guy, this lowered down 3. He continues to be lowered down. And the other two switch. So the 3 goes over here and the 1 goes there. Done. That's like a silly statement, isn't it? 3 to the 1 power equals 3. Genius. Well, the log is saying, yeah, that's what I was saying all along in my language. That's what the log was saying. It just, of course, it looked weird to us in the log language because we don't naturally speak log, but we do more naturally speak the power language, exponential language, right? So we just translated between languages. These two are saying exactly the same thing. They're just saying it in different languages. And we don't like log as naturally, so we translate out. So they want you to put 3 to the 1 over here. They kind of switched the sides, didn't they? Whatever, doesn't matter. All right. So see, there's no logs right now, huh? There's no logs at all. Let me just rewrite this. E to the second power is 7.3891. So when you add a log, I'm going to add a log here. I'm going to put a new log on that's not already there. What happens? Same thing. Base stays the base, other two switch. It doesn't matter, in or out. Same thing. Base stays the base. Other two switch. So when I add the word log, right there, it wasn't there. I'm bringing it in, brand spanking new. When you add the word log, the base stays the base. The base continues to be a low down number. Who's the base? Yeah, everybody see, this is the one that's got something on him. He's the base. So he continues to be the low down number. The other two, though, they switch. Instead of e to the 2, it's going to look like e to the 7.3891, and the 2 goes over there. So it's the same rule. If you add on a log word or lose a log word, gain or lose a log word, in or out, base stays the base, other two switch. It's real easy, same rule. Now, you probably know from algebra, what is the other way of writing log base e? ln. ln is how we use. Now, I don't know if they want you to write that here. Oh, yeah, they do. They did do the ln. So they want you to put the 7.3 thing there and the 2 over there. Yeah, log, so log base e is ln. It's a shortcut we use for log base e. What does ln stand for? Natural log. It's said backwards. It's because it's French. It was originally done by a French person. Logarithmic natural. You know how they put the adjectives after the nouns like Spanish does? The car blue. That's how they do adverbs. So French is the same way. Romantic language. Logarithmic natural. Same thing. Anyway, it's natural log. It's basically natural log. E is a special number. It has to do with some special stuff in calculus. So that's why they call it the natural log when it's base E on that. Questions on that one? 5 more minutes. All right, well, let's try it. 3 to the minus 2 is 1/9. All right, try that one. So what do they want me to do? They want you to add a new log word there. So put on a new log word. Base stays the base. Other two switch. So So put a brand new log word that's not already there. Base stays the base. This is the base, huh? Stays the base. The other two swap. Instead of 3 to the minus 2, it's 3 to the 1/9. Minus 2 goes over there. Done. That easy? Base stays the base. Other two switch. So log, is that 1,000 or it's 10,000 looks like. Yeah, log 10,000. You should get the answer 4. You getting that on your calculator? We're making sure you can get it on your calculator. Log 10,000 is 4. We good? Did I not do roll today? I forget roll half the time. Oh, yeah, let me actually